Hello everyone, welcome to Kitabi Cabins. मेरा नाम चारू है. I hope all of you are doing good. Today I woke up and I decided कि मुझे अपना मुराकामी के साथ में फोमो ख़त्म करना है. I'm done feeling left out. मुझे लगता है इस दुनिया में जिस रीडर को मैं जानती हूँ उसने मुराकामी पढ़ गया मुझे छोड़ करके. I decided that I'll read Murakami. The book I've decided for this video is Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. I'll be reading it on my Kindle. और अगर आपने अभी थंबनेल में काफ्का ऑन द शोर देखी है तो आई एम रियली सॉरी टू ब्रेक दिस टू यू दैट यू हैव बीन फोल्ड. वेलकम टू द इंटरनेट. आई रियली वांटेड टू रीड काफ्का ऑन द शोर बट मैंने वो देखी इतनी मोटी किताब है छोटे छोटे अक्षर के साथ में एंड आई जस्ट डोंट हैव द बैंडविड्थ विद मी राइट नाउ टू रीड इतनी बड़ी किताब. एंड यू नो what is one thing that I realized is that as I'm growing older, my urge to talk is getting less and less. Unless I used to be a chatterbox growing up, which is लोकी problematic कि मेरा बोलने का मन क्यों नहीं कर रहा है. I have zero thoughts going inside me जिनको मेरा मन करता है कि मैं आगे भी बोलूँ, which is going to be quite problematic of the fact कि मैंने सोचा I'll be recording a vlog around it. Let's see. Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. Here we go.
Hello. It has been a very long time since I completed this book, which was Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. I had read Murakami ki short stories before I read Norwegian Wood, which was my first novel by Murakami. We are following the theme of existentialism through a few characters who are in their early 20s. In general, all of the characters in the books were very interesting people to follow through. One thing that I found very interesting for all of the very little Japanese media that I've consumed is that they are very good at creating tension at places जहाँ पे कोई तुक नहीं बनता है. I've seen this pattern a lot in Studio Ghibli ke films. They do it so well, and which was also a very common thing that I found in Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. Initially जब मैंने किताब ख़त्म करी थी ना, I know that I was very disappointed. This book was erotic to a fault. This is not a love story. This is a lust story. और सब लोग बहुत हेट करते हैं कॉलिन हूवर पे. And I was so surprised. मैं randomly आपको कोई लाइन दे दूँ इस किताब की, एक तरफ कॉलिन हूवर का नाम लिखा हो, एक तरफ मुराकामी का, and you have to choose one, तो आप नहीं बता पाएंगे कि किसकी कौन सी लाइन है. The idea of death and grief is a very common topic throughout the entire book. And about the representation of women in Murakami novels, it's a very hot topic, and it made me very uncomfortable for the fact that how Murakami dehumanizes all of his female characters to just a sex object. But in general भी बात करा जाए तो characters बहुत ज़्यादा pick me energy and all of the female characters of the book.
So pick me. Choose me. Love me.
It's just done with a bad taste, and I will not say that about a character in Millionaires. If you know me for the kind of books that I like to enjoy, flawed characters exist करते हैं. We have pick me girls, we have young men like our protagonists out in the world, and it is important to represent them because this exists. Our world is imperfect and our stories must reflect them. आप space ही नहीं देंगे किसी भी flawed character को exist करने के लिए, तो it won't work like that. It was a good book because it was an honest book, and it has been a long time since I read this book. Initially मेरे मन में rage बहुत था. I was not getting the hype at all कि क्यों है ये किताब. But I think I've learned to appreciate the book more as the time went by. Today, on this day, that I will acknowledge that I remember this book more than any of the books I've read in the past few months. एक बात होती है which a very common theme आप किसी भी मुराकामी रीडर से पूछेंगे, they will say that Murakami will make you smell rain, and that is so true. He uses very strong imagery and it's a very powerful tool. मुझे characters के नाम याद नहीं है इस किताब के भी, in general मुझे नहीं रहता है याद, but I remember moments. I remember exact moments कि क्या क्या हुआ है किताब में, कहाँ से moonlight किस पे पड़ रही थी, who was the one passing the cigarette, who was the one putting things from one place to the other. बहुत छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, but this book will linger on to you. I talk about forgiving characters a lot because for most of the novels I enjoy reading have a very problematic character जिसकी psyche को we are following through. It's this place that it's very important to put yourself as a third person in the story and not get so as self-absorbed. Because initially what I think about my rage and my disappointment for the book was because I had involved myself with the book. If you look at it from the perspective of just a third person viewer, if you're just analyzing the characters, there are some people that he has made up in his entire world building. Murakami often incorporates generalization in his work, and most of his novels or the short stories I had read before, बहुत seamlessly it's an interweaving of surreal elements कि आपको ना कुछ points पे पता ही नहीं लगता कि if it's real or if it's a dream. And there is a very strong line of imagery going around which almost feels like magical realism, but मुझे वो नॉर्वेजियन वुड में हिट नहीं हुआ एंड आई एम सो सॉरी. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज इट अबाउट इट. मेरे को लगता है वक्त सही नहीं था ऑफ मी रीडिंग दिस बुक. आई जस्ट फेल्ट इट वाज वेरी वीक in this book. I do not want to comment on the literary achievement of this book, but I will remember this book for a very long time. So, what are my final reviews? This book is a 3.5 on 5 for me, which is a good rating. It's a very good rating for myself. But I know for a solid fact that I would have enjoyed this book even more had I read it during the early course of my reading journey. The book was वेरी सिंपल टू रीड, काफ़ी पेज टर्नर किताब थी. अगर आपने कोई किताब नहीं पढ़ी है तो आई थिंक यू विल एन्जॉय दिस बुक. बट वही वक्त की बात है. यू सी व्हेन यू हैव रेड पोस्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रीफ एंड डेथ 50 पेजेस कॉन्टिन्यूसली, तब आपको लगता है कि आदमी सब कुछ लिख के चला गया है जो भी लिखने को था. फिर उसके आगे ना सारी चीज़ें बहुत फीकी फीकी सी लगती हैं. बट येस, आई अवॉइड बीइंग क्रिटिकल अबाउट बुक्स बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी सब्जेक्टिव एंड अ वेरी सेरेब्रल एक्सपीरियंस फॉर एवरीवन. हैड आई नॉट रेड पोस्ट तो मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती है किताब. एंड वेल, दिस इज नॉर्वेजियन वुड बाय हारुकी मुराकामी. लेट मी नो हाउ वाज योर एक्सपीरियंस रीडिंग दिस बुक एंड इफ़ यू एन्जॉयड दिस बुक या मेरी तरह एक्सपीरियंस रहा है आपका थोड़ा सा. एंड थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग काइंड एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.